Welcome to the channel of LawSikho Judiciary Preparation. Today, in this video, we will be having the discussion on a very important update with respect to the judiciary. And this update is very important for all the judicial aspirants because Delhi Judicial Services exam is notified today. With respect to the Delhi judiciary, a very important thing which you people have to consider, like whosoever are preparing for this particular exam, as DGS is considered to be the toughest exam of judiciary in all over the country. So, with respect to this particular exam, what kind of approach you people have to adopt? What is the syllabus for Delhi Judicial Services? In this video, we will be discussing each and everything. So those who are new to the channel of LawSikho Judiciary Preparation, please subscribe this channel and share this video to all the aspirants whosoever are preparing for the judicial services. So let us come to the notification part firstly. Like what is the notification? How many vacancies are there this time? Uh, what is the syllabus which is being notified for which you people have to prepare? And what are the dates of filing the online applications, when the prelims exam is to be conducted? We will be having the discussion on each and every point in this particular video. So be in the video till the end. So let us come to the discussion on the Delhi Judicial Services exam. Like what is the notification which is there? How many vacancies are there this time notified? So as you people can see that this time 53 vacancies in total are there, in which 44 existing vacancies are there and 9 are anticipated vacancies. So the vacancies are in total 53. With respect to different categories, the categorization is being done. And let me tell you that what is that categorization. So breakup of the vacancies is like this. For the journal, or you can say unreserved category, we have existing 28 vacancies in the Delhi Judicial Services this time, and anticipated vacancies are 6. And in total, the unreserved or the journal vacancies are 34. For the reserved categories, for SC, it is 2 existing vacancies and 3 are anticipated vacancies. In total, it is 5. For the ST category, the existing vacancies are 14. There is no anticipated vacancies, and the total vacancies are 14. And this is how we are having the total 53 vacancies, for which in the unreserved category, we are having 34 vacancies. So, with respect to the vacancies this time which are notified, apart from that, the age criteria which is there for the Delhi Judicial Services is bit different from the other states, because in Delhi Judiciary, the maximum age for filling up of this particular exam is 32 years. If any candidate who is below the age of 32 and he is a law graduate, such person is eligible to appear in this particular exam. So these are the basic two things which you people have to understand. Like the maximum age is 32, and with respect to the vacancies also I had told you. But apart from that, let us see that what are the other things. The date of the exam, prelims exam, is already announced in this notification. That is on 10th of December 2023. So by the next month, the exam will be conducted. That is the prelims exam. And in the Delhi Judicial Services preliminary examination, in the objective type question, that is in the prelims paper, we have the 25% negative marking. So it is very important, because in many states, there is no negative marking, but in Delhi, yes, the negative marking is there. So, whosoever are preparing for the exam, they must have to consider that this exam is not like other states where there is no negative marking. In Delhi Judiciary, vacancies are 44 existing and 9 anticipated, in total 53 vacancies. Apart from that, prelims exam is only after 1 month it is going to be conducted. Apart from that, prelims paper 25% negative marking is also there, and the age criteria is also that is the maximum age is 32 years. So these are the basic things which you people have to understand. The date and time for filing of the online application is starting from tomorrow, that is of 7th of November 2023, and the last day for online application is 22nd November 2023. So it is only 15 days period which is given for filling of the online application. So it is again a very important thing. The fees for application form is 1500, which is for the general or unreserved category, and for the reserved categories, it is rupees 400. So these are the basic things which you people have to understand. Apart from that, before filing of the online application, please go for the notification in detail. Each and everything is to be understood, and each and everything is to be read by you. Only then you must be going to fill up the form. Apart from this, let us now come to the syllabus portion. Like in the prelims paper, it will be of 200 marks. Prelims paper will be of 200 marks. That is the screening test which you say. And in the prelims paper, what are the things which are coming, what kind of subjects and what kind of questions they will be asking. As you people can see, that there will be the questions on journal, legal knowledge, and aptitude of the candidates. So you must be well conversed with the journal legal knowledge. You must have to go through with your journal concepts with respect to the legal aptitude, legal knowledge. Apart from that, there will be the questions on English language also, like journal, power of expression, fair in English, knowledge of objective type legal problems and their solutions. So such kind of questions are there with respect to the GK, that is the journal legal knowledge they will be checking, they will be testing, and apart from that, the aptitude of the candidate will be tested. But when it comes to the law subjects, so let us see what kind of subjects are there in Delhi Judicial Services prelims exams. So the first is Constitution of India. Apart from that, CPC is there, CRPC is there, Indian Penal Code is there, Indian Contract Act is there, and few minor laws will also be there, like Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, Indian Evidence Act, Specific Relief Act, Limitation Act 1963. Apart from this, POXO is there, that is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, and Commercial Codes Act 2015. So this is the exam. So this is the prelims exam syllabus which you people have to go through now. There are many subjects which are very common in the other states also, like Constitution, CPC, CRPC, IPC, Contract, Evidence, Specific Relief Act, Limitation Act, POXO. So these basic subjects are there in the other states also. But what are the others? What are the special or minor laws which are specifically being asked in the Delhi judiciary? That is the Limited Liability Partnership Act, Arbitration and Conciliation Act, and Commercial Codes Act. So these are the three different laws which are usually not coming in the other states. But yes, for Delhi judiciary, you have to go through with these subjects also. Every subject is important. You cannot leave any portion of these particular subjects. Neither you can leave English, nor you can leave the journal legal knowledge, and any of these subjects cannot be left by you. It is not supposed to do such kind of things that we should go for the important subjects and we are leaving the other thing. No, it is Delhi judiciary. You have to go through with that. Now, apart from that, mains exam subjects. Now, there will be the first paper that will be of journal legal knowledge and language of around 250 marks. Thereafter, it is civil law 1 of 200 marks, civil law 2 again of 200 marks, and criminal law paper is also of 200 marks. So, what is being there in journal legal knowledge and language paper? So, it is also described in the notification part itself that the journal legal knowledge will be carrying the questions from the current legal affairs. So you people must be well versed with what is the current legal affairs going on in the country, as well as with respect to the international affairs also. You must be having the things in your knowledge. Apart from that, section number 2 will be there, which is covering essay, translation, and pressy writing. So you people have to start your language preparations from today itself. Language is something which is always drawing the edge over the other candidates. So with respect to the language, they will be asking you questions on grammatical fault, misuse of the words, bad expression. There will be two passages for translation. One is from English to Hindi, and other one is from Hindi to English. So that is a very, very important area which you people have to go through. Apart from that, Apart from that, with respect to the law papers, in Civil Law 1, the following subjects will be there. In Civil Law 1, the following subjects will be there. As you people can see, in the mains exam syllabus as well as in the prelims exam syllabus, there are certain differences. Now, what those additional subjects are there in the mains paper? So let us come to the papers one by one. It is Civil Law 1, which is taking care of Indian Contract Act, which is Civil Law 1 is having Indian Contract Act, Sales of Goods Act, Transfer of Property Act, Specific Relief, Hindu Law and Mohammedan Law, both is there. Delhi Rent Control Act 1958 will be there. Law of Torts is there. New Delhi Municipal Council Act 1994 is there. Very, very important. Delhi Municipal Corporation Act 1957 and Commercial Courts Act 2015. So all of these subjects are there in Civil Law 1 paper, from which many of the subjects are usually coming in the other states also, and there are some minor subjects which are coming in the Delhi Judiciary, like Delhi Municipal Corporation, New Delhi Municipal Council Act, Delhi Rent Control Act, etc., and Commercial Courts Act, etc. So they are also there in the Civil Law 1 paper. Apart from that, now let us come to the Civil Law 2 subjects. What are the subjects are there in the Civil Law 2 paper? So it is having CPC, that is the Code of Civil Procedure, Indian Evidence Act, Law of Limitation, that is the Limitation Act, Registration Act, Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, Trademarks Act 1999, and Copyrights Act 1957. So all of these subjects are there in Civil Law 2 paper. And then it will be the Criminal Law paper, which is having the following subjects like CRPC is there, Indian Penal Code is there, Indian Evidence Act, POXO, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, thereafter Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace 2013, after that Juvenile Justice Act, Care and Protection of the Children Act 2015. So all of these subjects are there in the criminal law paper. So as you people can see, the syllabus is very vast. You have to prepare from today itself because you are not having much time. Be ready with the preparations. And with respect to the other things, let me tell you that how the preparation can be now done by you. So apart from looking at the syllabus, as you people can see, the exam is going to happen. That is, the prelims paper is going to happen in the next month itself on 10th of December. And after that, they will be giving you 2 months approximately for the mains paper. Those who will be qualifying the prelims exam. So the very, very important thing is that you must be targeting on the mains as well as the prelims simultaneously, because if you are already preparing, then it is fine. Okay, but if you have not yet started preparation, then your preparations should be started right now after this video is getting over. Take out the syllabus, take out your subjects, go for the revisions, make the proper notes, synopsis on the minor subjects as well. Now, this is with respect to the notification that we have discussed. Apart from that, there are certain other things that I will mention you people. Like on the LawSikho platform, those people who need some test paper for their preparation, the mock test series will also be organized, and that every candidate whosoever is preparing should join that particular mock test paper. The test papers will be conducted subject wise as well, and there will be the consolidated test papers also. In the description, the whole details of all of the mock test, etc., is being given. You please may follow that. It will definitely boost your preparation. So, for your prelims paper, it is very, very important that unless and until if you are not doing the mock test papers, you are not attempting the multiple choice questions, it will be difficult to get through with that because this time the competition is going to be very stiff. Another very important update that we will be organizing the marathon classes also on LawSikho itself with respect to the certain subject. It will be very, very helpful to all of you whosoever is preparing and aspiring to be a judicial officer in Delhi as well in the other states also. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video and we will be having further discussions with respect to the exam strategy. Thank you so much.